Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving another lead code problem, which is the consecutive numbers. The difficulty level for this problem is medium, and this problem is also asked in multiple companies in job interviews. So for this problem, the table we have is the logs table, and the column present is ID and num, where ID is the primary key, and this is an auto increment column. And the problem statement we have for this is find all the numbers that appear at least three times consecutively. All right, and we can return the result in any order, so ascending, descending doesn't matter. All right, so let's just quickly go over the example. So here, if you see, we have seven IDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for ID 1, 2, 3, we have one appearing consecutively. And for 4ID, we have 2 and 5, 1. So there is no other number other than 1 is appearing consecutively at least thrice. So solution for this is 1. So 1 is simply the 1 is the only number that appears consecutively for at least three times. So that's why we have this as the output. Okay, let's start solving the problem. So in order to solve this, we can achieve the solution to this problem is by using the lead function in SQL. What lead will do is like we can use lead. It will give us the next number. Let's say for ID 1, we have this one. And for using lead function, we can check what is the next number appearing for this ID. Like for 2ID, again, we have one. Similarly, we can use the lead function one more time to check the third time since we need to check at least three. If it is appearing one, so it will result our output in one. Other thing, other way, we can also use this self joins in order to get the output. We can use the self join to check the IDs for these IDs, whether these numbers are matching with the next one and the current and next one. That way. So we will discuss both the solutions in detail. First, let me start writing the one using the lead function. All right. So select, I'll be selecting all of it. Okay, select star, comma. This is the lead function, num. And we need to just check the next one. Okay, so comma one. And since lead is the window function, so we need to use over as well. But we will not be passing anything to this over like partition by or order by anything to this since it will not give us the required output. So we will be keeping it as blank. We will be just writing it as over and let's just give alias to this as uh, next, just simply one. So this is what this will do is this will give us the number which is what is like number num is present next number to this number. So it will give us that. And again, we need to write the same one more time, wherein we will be checking the second highest, second number consecutive to this num. So lead num, comma, 2. Again, same over as here in the alias, we will be writing as next to. From the table is logs. All right. So this what this will do is this will give us the number, like it will print everything. First ID, num, these two, and then next one, next two. And this is just what we have written is we're just checking whether the number is matching to what we have like consecutive numbers are matching or not. So I'm just like writing this in the CT function with CT as okay. Now again, I'll be writing from this. This is where we have everything, like whatever logic that we are using, this will give us that. From the CT, I will be selecting our required in the format of the required output, select distinct, sorry, distinct num as the way we need to print it, consecutive nums We copy this num from city where, yeah, num is equal to next one, and num is equal to next two. Yeah, let me run the query. Yeah. So you see, our solution is accepted. So here, first, what we are doing is we're trying to arrange it in a single column where, sorry, in a single row, we are fetching everything like ID number and then the next one and next to number. And using this, we are kind of comparing both the functions, like both of it, whether the numbers are matching, the consecutive numbers are matching, and if it's matching, we will be getting the required output. The other way we can write this is as let me like using the self join. So let me select distinct a dot. Okay, num we have as consecutive nums. All right, this will be as consecutive nums from the table is logs a. Okay, now we will what we will be doing is we will be uh, yeah. hmm. We will be writing a self-join condition here. Join log b on a dot id is equal to b dot id plus 1. Okay, so here a dot id is equal to b dot id plus 1. And we need to check if the number is equal or not. So a dot num is equal to v dot num. And this is, it will check the our number and consecutive to that number if it's equal or not. But again, we need to write self join logs c on a dot id is equal to c dot id plus 2 and a dot num is equal to c dot num. That's it. And why we're writing distinct is since let's say one is appeared here already, and let's say one is appearing maybe 8, 9, 10 time as well, but we need to print the output only once. So that's why we have written one. So let me submit this. All right. So using both of these solutions, our solution is accepted and we are good to go. So I hope you have understood the solution. Please feel free to subscribe the channel and also provide your feedback in the comments. Thank you.